Gavin here from GFP Machines. I'm one of the directors at the company. I want to quickly run through one of our Leader Mac moulders and show you what we're doing with it and how we get up to a professional standard that we want to see going out our doors. Walk with me, Leroy. As you can see, this is a 7-head moulder. We really go through huge detail to get it to the place we want. We've stripped everything off here, with the in-feed bed off as well. We're getting that professionally re-chromed, so it's at 100% quality. Walk with me around the back. These are all the parts we're going through in the machine. So anything that's not up to our standard, we replace, we repair, get it back to the original standard. If we look at the back of the moulder, you can see we've stripped all the motors off the back of the moulder. We are replacing the bearings. If you look on this side, this is where all the motors are. We've pulled every single motor off. We replaced the bearings, checked the shaft, checked everything to make sure it's right, and they will be fitted back on the machine. The electrics, we will go through the electrics 100% to make sure that it's up to factory standards, and that the customer, whoever buys this machine, will be very, very happy with it for many, many years to come. One more thing I want to show you. Walk with me here. So just the one last thing to show you. These are the shafts that we pulled off the machine. Every shaft we go through, bearings and everything, we change seals, we make sure it's back to original condition. We're not prepared for a machine to leave our factory without it being in top condition. So if you're wanting a moulder, if you wanted to get into the moulding game, give us a call. 4-head moulders, 5-head moulders, 6-head moulders, 7-head moulders, 8-head moulders. We have stock of everything. This is how we treat our machines. We want you to be happy with the machine. We want you to be happy for many, many years to come.